Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Volkswagen Golf 4 1.4 petrol. The serpentine belt on this car is on the side of the engine. It can be done from up here. You just need to remove this air intake hose, or it can be done from the bottom. I'm going to show you how it's done from the bottom because there is more space to actually show how it is done exactly. This is the tensioner pulley that I need to turn clockwise, and then I can remove the belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'll put on the new belt. I put it in exactly the same way. I'll probably put the last pulley will be the alternator once after I turn the tensioner clockwise and loosen it. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner pulley clockwise in order to put the belt on the last pulley, which is the alternator. Thank you for watching.